Welcome back to the Python series. In this video we will explore some more things about patterns, and then we will convert each of these patterns code into different functions, and then we will discuss about the modules and then about comments. So let's print inverted right triangle. I will just copy the same code of right triangle, and now if you want inverted right triangle, then we need to change it here, that is n minus I comma 0 comma minus 1, so that j starts at n minus I and then it will exclude 0 and the step will be minus 1. So let's check this. Here we know the first 3 lines, that is to give the input from the user, that is let's take n equals to 5. So if n is 5, I will be in the range of 5. So that j in range of n minus I means first I will start at 0. n minus I means 5 minus 0, that is 5. So that j will start at 5. 5 is in range of 5 to 0, which is true, so that a star is printed. After that j will be decremented, as we mentioned here, decrementation, so that now j will become 4. 4 is in range of 0 to 5, true, so that another star is printed. After that j is again decremented, it will become 3. 3 is in range of 0 to 5, which is true, so that star is printed. After that j will be decremented to 2, so that 2 is in range of 0 to 5, so that another star is printed. And after that j is again decremented, j will become 1. 1 is in the range of 5 to 0, so that again a star is printed. After that j will become 0. 0 in range of 5 to 0, as we know that this is the start, this is the start, after that this is the stop, and this is the step. Start is included, so that 0 in range of 5 to 0 is false, so that it will come out of this inner for loop, and then it will execute this statement, that is a new line statement. And after that I will be incremented to 1. So j will be start at 5 minus 1, that is 4. j will start at 4. 4 is in the range of 4 to 0, so that a star is printed. After that j will be decremented to 3. 3 is in range of 4 to 0, true, so that a star is printed. After that j will be decremented to 2. 2 is in the range of 4 to 0, which is true, so that a star is printed. After that j will decremented to 1. 1 is in the range of 4 to 0, which is true, so that a star is printed. After that it will become 0. 0 in range of 4 to 0 is false, so that it will move to a new line. After that I will be incremented to 2. j will start at 5 minus 2, that is 3. So j will start at 3 here. 3 is in the range of 3 to 0, which is true, so that a star is printed. After that j will be decremented to 2. 2 is in the range of 3 to 0, so true, so star is printed. After that j will be decremented to 1. 1 is in the range of 3 to 0, so that another star is printed. After that it will be decremented to 0. 0 in range of 3 to 0 is false, so that it will move to a new line. After that I will be incremented to 3, and now j will be at n minus I, that is 5 minus 3, 2. j will start at 2. 2 in range of 2 to 0, true, so that star is printed. After that j will decrement. Now it becomes 1, which is also true, so that star is printed. After that it will become 0. 0 is not in range, so that it falls, so that it moves to a new line. After that I will be incremented to 4. Now j will start at 5 minus 4, that is 1. So j will start at 1. 1 is in the range of 1 to 0, true, so that a star is printed. After that it will become 0. Now the condition is false, so that it will move to a new line. And now I will be incremented to 5. 5 in range of 5 is false, so that it will come out of the total loop. So let's run this. For meanwhile, let's comment all the above lines. So now let's run this. We can see, let's give the rows as 5. Oh, here we forgot to change it. Let's give a star. Let's run this. Here you can see we got the output. And now what if we want a row number in the place of star? Just keep I plus 1. Let's run this. Here we can see we got the row numbers. After that, what if we want the consecutive numbers one after another? Just we will print J here. Let's run this. 5. Here we can see we got the consecutive numbers. So now let's create a inverted left triangle. I have just copied the code of left triangle, paste this here. We need to do some changes here. There are n minus of n minus I here. After that, here we need to add n minus I. Let's see this function. Here in this function, let's take n equals to 5. I in range of n, that means list I starts from 0 and then n is 5 here as we given. Here in the reverse, it is inverted left triangle, the pattern will be like this. Yes, and this is the pattern. So that in the first line there will be no spaces, after that there is one space, after that there will be two spaces, after that there will be three spaces, after that there will be four spaces. So here let's come into the code. For j in range of n minus of n minus I, that means n minus I is 5. N minus of n minus 5, that is 5 minus 5. That gives us 0. In the range of 0 we don't have anything, so that it is false. So this entire for loop block will be jumped out and it will come to this k in range of n minus I. I is 0, so that here 5, k will start at 0. K will start at 0. 0 is in range of 5, so that it will, let's remove this, it will print a star. After that, k will be incremented to 1. 1 is in the range of 5, so that another star is printed. After that, it will become 2. 2 is in the range true, so that a star is printed. After that, it will become 3. 3 is in the range of 5, so a star is printed. After that, 4. 4 is in the range, so star is printed. After that, 5. 5 is in the range of 5 is false, so that it will move to the next line. And after that, I will be incremented to 1. J in range of n minus of n minus 5, that is 5 minus of 5 minus 1, that is 5 minus 4, that means 1. J in range of 1. In the range of 1 we will have only one digit, that is 0. It is true, so that space is printed. After that, j will be incremented, j will become 1. J 1 is in one range of 1 is false, so that it is false. So it will skip this first for loop and then it will come to this for loop. Here k will start at again 0 and it is in the range of 5 minus 1, that means 4. Sorry, k in range of 4. So here 0 is in range of 4, true, so that a star is printed. After that k will be 1 is true, so that star is printed. After that k will become 2 is in range of 4, so that star is printed. After that k will become 3 is in range of 4, so that star is printed. After that it will become 4 in range of 4 is false, so that it will skip this for loop and then it will execute this statements, that is a new line statement. After that I will be 2, j will be in the range of 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means 3. 5 minus 3 means 2. So j will start at 0. 0 is in range of 2, which is true, so that a space is printed. After that it will become 1 in range of 2, so that another space is printed. After that it will become 2, which is false, so that here k will start at 0. K is in range of n minus I is 2. 5 minus 2 means 3. 0 is in range of 3, so that a star is printed. After that it will become 1 in range of 3, so that another star is printed. After that it will be 2 in range of 3, which is true, so that a star is printed. And now it will become 3 in range of 3 is false, so that it will move to a new line. So in the same way it will print 2 spaces here, 2 stars in this line. After that with 4 blank spaces it will print a single star here. In this way we will get the output. So let's run this. Let's give 5. Here we can see we got the correct output. So now what if we want the row number in place of star? Just place j plus 1. So let's run this. Let's give 5. Oh, we got something weird. It's I plus 1, not j plus 1. Here we can see we got the output. And now what we want, the consecutive numbers. For this we need k plus 1. Here is our output. So how can we convert all these into the functions? We discussed functions concept in the last classes. To create a function we will need to use a keyword def. Let's copy this. F and then give the function name. Let's give pattern 1. We know that indentation should be taken care. Here we indented all this. So now def pattern 2 for this. So let's indent these two, select them and then indent. All our patterns are converted into the functions. So we know how to call the function, that is pattern 1 you can say all our functions are working correctly. So now let's discuss about a module. As we discussed importing functions from one module to another module in the previous section or previous video. So let's see what is a module. A module is nothing but any file with .py extension, or we can say any Python file is called as a module. So how to import so here we have these 4 functions: pattern1, pattern2, pattern3, pattern4. How can we import these functions into another file? Let's say here, just by using the import. If we give star, then we can get all the functions inside this particular module, patterns module. We can run this. Here we can see we got the solutions: pattern1, pattern2, pattern3, pattern4, which are in this file. So in this way we can import one module features into another module. So now let's see about comments. Till the starting of this series we are using the comments. So what are comments? Comments are nothing but the documentation of the code. So comments are nothing but just a piece of text which lets someone to know what your code done in that program. For example, here we written right triangle, as this below code will print a right triangle. So likewise,